Well, today's February 10th, 2010. Big blizzard number 2 here in DC. I'm not sure what time it is. It's probably about 2:30 or so. I'm standing in front of the Cannon House building on the grounds of the U.S. Capitol, looking across the street where the Capitol is, and man, the snow is such that you can't really even see the dome right now. It's kind of hidden behind that tree. Lots of snow here. The crews have been working very hard to keep it clear. I see a lot of dump trucks and probably about a dozen or so men with shovels just down the street from where I am in front of the Library of Congress. So they're working hard to try to keep this area clear. There's the Capitol. You can kind of see it. The snow really was blowing a few minutes ago, but seems like that stopped for the moment, thankfully. Allegedly, Metro is open. I tried to Metro down here and ended up just walking because it was, I don't know, half hour or so between the trains. See the snow starting to blow again down this way. Woo! This is supposed to continue on all day long and all night. The prediction of another snow system coming in on Monday to DC. Good luck getting out of this city for a few days. All the airports have been shut down. No buses are running. The only thing that's really roving the roads right now are some snow plows and some four-wheel drive vehicles. You can see looking down the hill, it's just a mess. You can't even see down the hill. It's all whiteout conditions. Alright, I'm going to walk back towards the Metro and see if I can get a ride home. If not, I'll just hoof it. A lot of the bars are open down the street. So at least some people are getting out. I'll check back in later.